UFC Prizm 3509. Here we go. We're going to randomize this list of fight classes 5 times. Team on top of the end will go to spot 1. Team on fight class on bottom will go to person spot 9. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Heavyweights on top, light heavyweight on bottom. That is 5 times. Let's get rid of this one and put it exactly where you picked up your spots. Good luck to all. Any team, any class can be good at any time. Alrighty. Good luck all. Luque, Whitaker, Kraus, Bosa, orange, Tony Ferguson. That is numbered to just 99. Nice one there for the lightweights. A red for the heavyweights of Jair Rosenstruck. That is numbered to 275. Fireworks of Amanda Nunes. Cyril Gain, Gaethje, Nelson, Hooker, Gracie. Oh, not a rookie in that one. Joe Lauzon. Volkan Ozdemir, Jacare Souza, Chen Xiongzhong. Orange, Kevin Lee. That is numbered 53 of 99. Silver of Jermaine Duraname. That is for the bantamweights. Kevin Lee for the lightweights. A fearless of Nate Diaz. Sanchez, Esparza, Caceres, and Guixin, and Antonio Shevchenko. Of course, the Yan Xiaoyan is the rookie. Nikita Krylov, Khamzat Chimaev, Kai Kara-France, TJ Dillashaw, Darren Till. Purple, Cody Stamann. That is numbered to just 149. And nice to 49. Red champion auto of Stipe Miocic. That's a big boy right there. Not just in card value, but in size. He's a large man. The heavyweights with Alexander Hieltis. Congratulations. Amanda Nunes. A Kevin Holland. Deep Pete. Raquel Pennington. Marvin Vittori, rookie. Sorry, that purple was Cody Stamann. I completely forgot in the excitement of the other card to 149. All right, Benavidez, Semprou, Leon Edwards, Jimmy Rivera, Rose Namajunas. Purple, Jim Miller. That is numbered 108 of 149. A silver, Joanne Calderwood. Instant impact of Alexander Volkanovski. A Jennifer Meyer. Reyes, Elkanix, and Brad Tavares. Alvey, light green coming up. Madison, Masvidal. Green Cub Swanson. Green Cub Swanson, number 251 of 75. A purple Felice Herrig. That is numbered to 55 of 149. A Fireworks Peter Yan. Colby Covington, Michael Chiesa, Jay Rosenstruck, Suarez, and Paul Felder. Macy Chasson, rookie. Joanne Calderwood, Francis Ngannou, Kenzie Dern. A blue, Magomed Ankalaev, numbered to 109. Apologies if I botch any of these names. Ian Hennish, silver. Volkanovski, fearless. John Jones, I always include one of those. Ian Hinch. Michael Chandler. Jermaine Duraname, and Corey Sanhagen. Glover Teixeira. A Nathaniel Wood, or Wooden. Anthony Smith, Jeremy Stevens, Donald Cerrone. Blue, Francis Ngannou. That's very nice. Big boy right there for the heavyweights to 199. A silver, Israel Adesanya, instant impact for the middleweights. Conor McGregor, knockout artist. Nice. A Lana Lasberg, Kevin Gastelum, Tony Ferguson, Alexis Davis. Perry Beast up and about. Tyron Woodley, Demian Maia, Brian Ortega, Samil Abdurakhimov. Jessica I. A red of Irene Aldana. Numbered 206 to 275. A silver of Macy Chiasson. Rookie. Nice silver rookie there for the bantamweights. John Jones, Instant Impact. Michael Pereira, Jan Blachowicz, Thiago Santos, and Pedro Munoz. Paul Acosta, Miguel Beza, Curtis Blades, Askar Askarov, a red of Zabit Magomed Sharapov to 275. Sharapov, that is to say. Silver, nice, John Jones. Fearless of Khabib. Jessica Andrade, Eubanks, Diaz, Lee, and Uriah Hall. Drew Dober, Peter Yan, Volkanovski, Zabit Magadev. Lauren Murphy, silver, teal. That is number 249 for the flyweights. A blue of Marab Dvalashvili, numbered 172 of 109. Fireworks of Khabib. Luke Rockhold, Jimmy Crute, Modafferi, Usman, and Matt Schnell. We have Mojo coming up. Amanda Nunes, Jack Hermanson, Stephen Thompson, Brandon Moreno rookie, Kevin Lee. And for the featherweights, a Mojo to just 22 of 25, Arnold Allen. A silver of Darren Till. A Instant Impact, Jorge Masvidal, Derek Brunson, Mitchell, Aquanta, and Jim Miller. Sakai, Chukagan, Herman, Randy Costa, Rodriguez, Marina, and nice red, number to 275, Kamaru Usman, and then to 49, not bad, Dominic Reyes for the light heavyweights, auto. After that, we have knockout artists TJ Dillashaw, Song Keenan, Neil Magny, Jimmy Flick, and Valentina Shevchenko, who I'll include. And that is UFC Prizm 3509.